Today's Manna. Having fellowship with the visiting God. Bible verses. Genesis 18:1. And Jehovah appeared to him, Abraham, by the oaks of Mamre as he was sitting at the entrance of his tent in the heat of the day. Genesis 18:2. And he lifted up his eyes and looked, and there were three men standing opposite him. Genesis 18:4. Please let a little water be fetched, and do wash your feet, and rest yourselves under the tree. Genesis 18:5. And let me fetch a morsel of bread that you may sustain yourselves. Words of ministry. Which do you think is more pleasant for God to sit on his throne demanding that we bow down to him and worship him, or for God to sit under a tree and wash his feet? God came to Abraham on his level and in a human form. Since he came in this way, he and Abraham could be friends. In this chapter there is no religious worship or fear, just sweet intimacy. How wonderful! We all need to experience God in this way. According to religion, God visits people in a cathedral or chapel. But God often visits us in a very normal way. Many sisters have the experience that while they are cooking in their kitchens or doing the laundry, the Lord comes to them in a very intimate, human way, and they have a pleasant time of sweet fellowship with the Lord, conversing with him as with a friend. Many brothers have the same kind of experience. While they are working on their jobs or resting at home, the Lord comes to them as a dear friend, and they have an intimate conversation with the Lord. This is the experience of the Lord coming to visit us on a human level so that we can commune with him as with an intimate friend. To be continued tomorrow. Amen.